almost over. Are you happy? Yes. So one of our blessings as educators is to see our students march and go up the stage to receive their certificates or diplomas. May I see the hands of the mothers with graduates or completers? How many are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Congratulations.
15 years ko din, 15 years.
So they are our students. They are the complete manifestation of the fruits of our labor. Thus, we are gathered this evening in the spirit of gratitude for the blessings and graces showered upon us by God this school year. For the gift of persons of our students in our lives and the gift of each one to the academic community of Colegio de la Inmaculada Concepcion Mandaue Incorporated. As we gather together on this day or evening of Thanksgiving, our day of Deo Gracias, let us ponder on these two words, appreciation and gratitude. Can you please repeat that?
Appreciation and gratitude.
Saint Vincent de Paul said, appreciation begets